welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Paola Hadassah and welcome. I hope you all are doing really good today. And today it's Saturday and I just got home from being out and about with my kiddos. It's spring break. We had to do groceries and a couple of stuff, and yeah, when I got here this box was waiting for me. This is from a company from Amazon, and they sent me this package, and so yeah, I'm gonna share it with you all. So this is from my FL, my family team, and this is an 8-set organizer packing cubes accessory, and this is in the color gray. So it's 8 of them, so I am so excited about it. So it comes in this beautiful plastic zip bag, which I appreciate because these always serve its purpose for storing things, even for traveling in itself. I love these bags. They are so awesome. And I have a thing with these stickers. I'll take it off later. I always take them off. So let's see what they look like. Okay, so here we have all the stuff. Yay, I'm so excited. So it says, "Wish you have a happy life," and it's one of those little drawstrings that comes collapsible, and I suppose you could put like laundry or even shoes in one of these. I think it would serve its purpose. Material, it's really thick and sturdy, which I love, and this is by the company Fadish. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I'm butchering. I would just say Fadish. So that is the company, and again, it's this beautiful gray color, very, very pretty. And we have another drawstring, which is really cute. It's small. And here I would probably just put like some makeup products, or maybe socks, or whatever little miscellaneous things I want to carry. Love it. Here's another little bag, little zipper. And this is how it looks on the interior, gray as well. I love the material because it's thick. It's not like those little flimsier ones. Love it. And here's another little packing cube. So this one just opens like that. It's spacious. In here you could put your bras, socks, undies, shoes, shirts, and you can put anything in here. What I like about it is that it has this little handle thing. This is so awesome because like when you're in your suitcase, you can just pull this out. This is so cool. I love it. Here's another larger one. This one doesn't have anything on the front as far as mesh. It does have a handle here, and this is just one of the bigger compartments. These are very, very good quality, right? And surprise, and it's a double zip right here. Then we go into these other three. These are just the regular type of packing cube, standard. Very, very roomy. And I love that it has the mesh right here because it allows it to be breathable. So, if there's any smells or odors, or if you're using it, on the way back, it just gives, lets the air flow through it. Here's another one. Oh wow, and then this one has a little clasps, and these are adjustable, like for tying things. That is very cool. That is so nice because sometimes like when you have jeans or any t-shirts and they'll just slide around, these are so helpful to keep stuff in its place. I love that. Very, very cool. And then once again, it has a mesh to let the clothing breathe, and then it has a little top handle at the top. Those are so pretty. And then at the back, again, it's just plain. And the largest pouch is this one. So fun. Love that it has these. These are so handy because a suitcase, it has them, and I love these. They work wonders keeping stuff in check so it won't be sliding around. absolutely beautiful. I love, 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 love them. And again, front zipper. Awesome deal. So for if you want to know like the measurements or any details about these in specific, I'm going to go ahead and link it down in the description box all so you can see the measurements and more, you know, about this. But I am very, very impressed with these products, and hopefully I can use them soon on any trip that I have going. So let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So all 8 of them did come in here. I am very, very impressed with them. I do recommend them. These are very, very good quality. And then the bonus was this bag too. I love these bags. I love storing things in them when I travel. And like when you also like buy like the little traveling set accessories, or you buy, you know, sheets for like your bedding and all that, when they come in those plastic bags, I always save them for when I travel. They are so, so handy. And so yeah, these are again from Amazon, and this is by the company MyFL, My Family Team, and this is the 8 set travel organizers packing cube luggage, and these are in the color gray. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below in the description box, all the details, so in case you want to check it out or, you know, purchase them. They have other colors as well. You can go ahead and do that. And by no means is this sponsored. I don't have any affiliate or any code or nothing. This is just what I have and I wanted to share with you all. So if you all have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment down below. And this is just my honest review on this product. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you in my next video. I love you all. Don't forget to comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for new videos. I'll talk to you later. Bye everyone.